Section 3.2, example 17, integrating tangent to the power k where k is odd and greater than or equal to 3. All right, I feel like this is going to take a little bit of finessing. So when in doubt, because there really isn't anything to, like, we could differentiate tangent. We end up with secant squared. But I don't see a secant squared here. Let's turn these into sines and cosines, see if we see any sort of pattern here. So the integral of sine cubed x over cosine cubed x. So I think it would be easier to work with this one here. And we could grab one of these, bring it out. Oh, I think I see it. So we have the integral of, let's say, sine squared x over cosine cubed x. This sine squared x we could turn into cosine or be in terms of cosine, making it a lot easier. Sine x dx. So we're going to let u equal cosine. So this is going to be like u to the power of -3. We're going to turn this to be in terms of cosine and let u equal cosine x. So that way du is going to be equal to negative sine x dx, which is kind of what we have right here. I think we got it. So let u equal, actually let's put it into prettier terms right now. Cosine cubed x over sine squared x is going to be 1 minus cosine squared x. And we have sine x out here. So now we're going to let u equal cosine x du equals negative sine x dx. And let's do this. So we have 1 minus u squared over u cubed du. So that's going to be u to the -3 minus u to the -1 du. Oh, and let's fix it because it should have been negative over here. Let's switch these. There we go. And now let's integrate. So this is going to be ln of u minus u to the power of -2. That's going to be a negative, so that would be +1 over 2. And plus c. U is cosine x, so we have ln is, or ln of the absolute value of cosine x plus 1 over 2 cosine, the reciprocal of cosine is secant, so secant squared x and plus c. And there we go. If you have any questions, please feel free to ask. There we go. If you have any questions, please feel free to ask. Otherwise, bye.